Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ross County, southern Pickaway County, eastern Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Fairfield County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:42 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Circleville, Kingston. In addition, Clarksburg, Williamsport, State Route 138 at U.S. Route 22, Fox, Andersonville, Pickaway County Airport, Logan Elm Village, and the W. Marion State Park are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.